An earthquake of magnitude 6.2 in the Richter scale has hit China, central China, and 111 people have unfortunately passed away. This is in a region of the central China between Lenzhou and Xining, and people are now in the street because of the aftershocks, as you can see. And the damage to the structures and buildings is really extraordinary. We only see such a thing in a war zone, and unfortunately it has caused the death of people. Chinese rescue workers are trying to remove the rubble and save as many lives as they can. And this is a big operation at the moment. It needs a huge coordination. They are doing it on their own. It happened during the night, so people didn't expect it. They were not prepared for it. And as you can see, they are saving as much as they can. Save it. This is the area that is a collision of the part of the separated Gondwana, Africa piece of the lithosphere called India with the Eurasia has created a Tibet folding and plateau in this area. Tibet pressing against China through the India is creating, and as you can see, this is a profile of it, how the part of the Gondwana, India lithosphere is detached and sinking into the mantle. This tectonic movement creates a lot of tremors, and this today's earthquake is one of the results of that.